In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. First of all, you need to open your Cash App account. Then you can click the Bitcoin button in the bottom right corner or just click the bank icon in the bottom left. Scroll a little bit down and right here you will see the Bitcoin. Then you need to get the Bitcoin wallet address. Where are you sending your Bitcoin from your Cash App account? For example, I will send my Bitcoin to Binance. So I will log into my Binance account, then I will go to my wallet, spot account, and right here I will find my Bitcoin wallet address. When you click these three dots on the right side of the Bitcoin, you will see deposit button. You need to click on it, then choose the Bitcoin network and copy your wallet address. This process is similar on any other crypto wallet or crypto exchange. After you will open the Bitcoin page on your Cash App, then under your Bitcoin balance you will find these arrows right here. You need to click on it and then choose Send Bitcoin option. After that, you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you are sending from Cash App to another wallet. Then right here you need to paste the wallet address. In my case, I need to paste my Binance Bitcoin wallet address and then click the next button in the top right corner. And finally, you need to choose the transaction speed. If you want to receive your money as soon as possible, you can choose the priority speed, but keep in mind that it has got a little bit more commission. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.